I am Krishnaswamy, living in Arundel Beach Road, Besant Nagar, Kalakshetra Colony. Yeah, because you are close to my home, and we thought it's much better to have you for any maintenance requirements. Yeah, so far so good. It's good. Yeah, the people who ever come here, they are very respectable, and they look after the customers' requirements. Yeah, it's very more comfortable. Before you had to use the stairway, and some issues of leg pain while going up. But with the lift, it's more comfortable. Quite comfortable, quite good. Yeah, Nibav is good.